Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to cover the different mathematical operators that you can use in Microsoft Excel. So you can either reference the numbers that are above your letters on your keyboard, or you could use your numpad as well. So I'll try to reference both. So let's go ahead and start with, we'll use PEMDAS, which I'm sure most of you remember is the mathematical order of operations, and we'll just work from left to right. So first thing we have is the parentheses. So the parentheses should exist under the number 9 and the 0 keys. And if you hold, not on the numpad though, you need to actually reference the numbers that are above your letters on your keyboard. So if you hold Shift and press 9 or 0, you should be able to create your parentheses. The next we have is an exponent. So if we look at the number 6, same thing above the letters on our keyboard, and you hold Shift, you should be able to create the exponent operator. The next two that we have are actually available on both the numpad and the numbers that are above your letters on your keyboard. So you have the, if you look on your numpad, towards the top of your numpad next to the numlock keys, you should have the /, which is the sign for division. And then you also have the asterisk, which is the multiplication operator. And then if you're looking on just the numbers that are above your letters, you can go ahead and you can hold Shift and press either the number 8 for multiplication, or if you look next to that shift, not the shift off to the left, but the other shift that's more centered on your keyboard, you should have a key that is combining the / and the question mark. So if you don't even have to press Shift, if you just press that key, you should be able to create your /, which is used for division. And now for the multiplication, I just like to reference the two that are on the numpad. So if you look on your numpad in the top right, you should have the minus, which is used for subtraction. And then below that, you should have the plus, which is used for addition. So those are some of the different ways that you could find the operators on your keyboard. If you have a Mac, it may be slightly different. I would Google it if they don't align with what are on your Mac keyboard. I haven't used a Mac in a long time, so I can't remember it offhand. But that is the quickest way to be able to reference the different operators on your keyboard. So we'll just do one real quick as an example. So we'll enter the the equals symbol, and I will go ahead and begin our mathematical equation. So we're going to use the parentheses first. So let's do 1200 plus, I'm going to reference cells, 1200. We'll close our parentheses. So now the first thing that's going to happen is the parentheses. It's going to complete any equation that is inside of those parentheses. So the first thing that's going to happen is it's going to be 1200 plus 1200. So that'll be 2400. The next thing that we'll do is we're going to divide that by 4. And if my math is right, there should be, 600? So now that we put the / 4, it's going to go ahead and divide that number by 4. And then once we're done with our equation, we can go ahead and press Enter. And now you can see that it went ahead and followed the mathematical order of operations. So that is the quickest way to be able to find those operators on your keyboard. If anyone has any other tips for Mac users, please let me know in the comments.